Alright, new vehicle, old setup. I'm not going to do a third like run through of my air system because, you know, it's the same stuff just on the third vehicle now, that at least that I've had. Slight modifications done to it. I had to move the mounting brackets in just a little bit to fit. Even though this car is wider, just the curve of the roof and where the brackets and everything went, that just worked better. Also, the mounting valve required a very different mounting situation here, so I had to fab that up, but the thing is there, it's all set up and working, and as far as the first horn to test it out, how about a 52 S3J? Also, for those of you who said that I'd never get a girlfriend with this train horn hobby, hey look, I have a wife now, and she's the one going to be doing the run-by.